Hello, Dr. Darren Wayne here. I'm a food scientist and the best-selling author of 80 Hormonal Health Myths Busted, and I've been helping diabetics over the last 30 years. Now, observing thousands of diabetics over the last 30 years, the number one complaint I see is the lack of truly healthy food for diabetics. I mean, sure, you can find processed food everywhere. It's super cheap, right? But unfortunately, it is very unhealthy, and it causes your diabetes to perpetuate. No wonder we see many, more now than ever, develop diabetes. What, about half of the whole population is now pre-diabetic or diabetic. Now there's a serious problem out there, right? Where do you find healthy food that's really healthy enough to not only help balance your blood sugar and help heal your pancreas so you can actually experience what eating healthy food feels like, but is also very low in carbs, has all your nutrition, and is, of course, very delicious. Now, it's taken me a long time to procure these 14 superfoods that are so healthy that they're not sold in stores. The soil isn't even healthy enough here to grow it. I had to venture out on my own, use my own time and my own money to find land that's still healthy enough to grow these superfoods. I eat them every day, and my hundreds and now thousands of diabetics all over the country enjoy Mealbetics. I know you're going to enjoy it too. You can never eat too much of it. It has super low carbs. It'll save you so much time, save you so much money, and it's the only certified organic diabetic meal replacement online. I'm serious. Go right now, go to Google, go to Bing, go to Yahoo, whatever search engine you want, type in organic diabetic meal replacement, and you'll see Mealbetics right on the first page. How can that be? How can Mealbetics be the only certified organic diabetic meal replacement on the entire internet used by billions of people? It's because most people just do not know where to find healthy food, and those who claim to know actually don't. Look at the ingredients. Look at what's on the label. Do they have non-organic ingredients with organic ingredients? Is there a bunch of toxic chemicals in there? Are there preservatives, additives, sweeteners that are artificial? Is it so processed that they've taken away all of the healthy carbs and left this lifeless, dead food that you have to worry about eating too much of because it will harm your blood sugar? That's what diabetics have to endure every day, but you don't. Now that Mealbetics is here, you can eat it to replace 1 or 2 meals every day. Just mix it in water, and you can never eat too much. And I got the price so low that it's cheaper than a junk food meal. Sure, you could buy a burger and fries and it'll be cheaper, but the whole point here is that you want to eat the healthiest food in the world. Nothing could be healthier than this, and this is what you are eating. I know you will thoroughly enjoy the taste too. Everyone loves it, and I really look forward to talking to you soon.